opogore mane onegi pidho yiende milion 1.5 higa ka higa. Kaluwore gi chik manogolo gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mane one piny Kenya opidho yiende bilion 15 kochopo higa 2030, kaunti ma Homabay ne omi agete mar pidho yiende milion 1.5 higa ka higa. Apisa mar Kenya Forest e kaunti no Sharon Cheluget wacho ni gigeto bunge mag sirikal, skunde kod kuonde amoko e jiwo pith mar yien tielo milion 1.5 higa ka higa. Chenro ma ginywakone gi riwruoge mamoko.
Billion tree seedlings on annually basis so that we can reach at least that is a national one, 1.5 on annually basis, and for our county is 1.5 million on annually basis, so that at the end we can all reach the 15 billion tree planting. As Homabay County, I came to this county when actually most of our stations did not do a lot of work in tree planting. I can comfortably say that we have really moved strides ahead. In areas like Lambwe had no efforts of reforestation at all. And as we speak today, we are around 420 hectares that we have established since 2024 to date.
If we go back to our schools to do the same thing that I'm doing here in the whole world, then, just as I've said, that will be something of the first. So we want to embrace the culture of tree planting and growing, not the culture of just planting trees. We plant, we grow, we nurture to achieve our target. Because if we just plant only without taking care of the trees that we have planted, then we are not going to achieve our goal.
The generation to come will remember once upon a time at Lake School, there were teachers who were environment friendly, there were learners who were environment friendly. We are going to do this together to ensure that we succeed.